We are looking at a house where emptiness pulses as its essence. A large, central courtyard with a mountain plum tree that serves as the silent heart between volumes of stone, concrete, and wood. This first glimpse awakens curiosity, as if everything were shaped between light, shadow, and silence. We arrive in Los Cabos, Baja California Sur. The desert heat, the arid soil, native vegetation resistant to the climate, a clear and open sky. The topography offers flat terrain with small elevations, and the desert environment demands natural comfort measures. Nearby houses are few, allowing us to feel isolation and vastness. Corridors open to filtered views of the desert. Living, dining, and common areas connect to the courtyard. Raw materials appear in every detail: natural stone, local wood, textured concrete. See the stone floors, the wooden panels, the raw texture of concrete contrasting with the visual warmth of wood, the rough or smooth touch. As the daylight shifts, we see a play of shadow and brightness. Large openings frame views, offset volumes help modulate direct sunlight. Deep overhangs and perforated elements produce patterns that move with the day. The house is organized around the central courtyard. At its center, the tree, around it stepped volumes alternating between closed and open spaces. The architecture favors spatial continuity, smooth transitions, corridors bordering the courtyard, terraces, and shaded areas. In the shaded moments under overhangs, in the courtyards, in the recessed volumes, there is coolness. When the sun is lower, light enters filtered, painting the walls with different tones. At dusk, the contrast rises, textures sharpen, views expand. Casa Ananda shows that architecture can be both rigorous and serene, functional and poetic, where forms, materials, light, and climate come together to create something not only to inhabit, but to cultivate in memory.